Did you guys own Slingshot? Did you say?
So we built it. Yeah, we built it off of a white label essentially. So
Yeah,
we had,
you built it off of Roar.
yep. Yeah, so we knew it was like a service that all of our clients are using. So we're like, hey, we need something to put together, to utilize for our clients. And instead of sending it to somewhere where we knew they were going to have issues with compliance, we knew they were going to have issues with messages that we wanted to send. And then also too, like we knew that there was going to be deliverability issues. We're like, why don't we just try to control as many of those variables for clients as we can and solve that problem by just putting together a service.
So what did that white label agreement look like? Like if someone wanted to set up a white label, anybody who's listening to this who's a guru, you should strongly consider white labeling something or having your own service-based business.
Yeah, so what we looked at was the difference between what it was going to cost us to build our own platform and the access we needed to get the same, type of service that they had, and it was just going to be way too much. So we ended up we just had to pay a monthly, white label fee like most white labels. Plus we had to put together all of our own operations. So for client support and management, how we were going to do lead gen, how we were going to do pricing, like they basically just give you the tools and like, okay, here you have access to it. But like everything else we had to put together. So like the raw software stuff is going to cost you, 20 to 50 grand to build right. And then plus we didn't have connections with, cell carriers and stuff like that they have.
Yeah.
So utilizing that was a big step up because now we were able to just shortcut into something that was already working and develop it in a way that, benefited our clients more.